The Great Meadow Chase is a fun-filled adventure where Benny the rabbit, Ricky the raccoon, Timmy the squirrel, and Molly the fox find themselves in a wild pursuit. What starts as a scramble for a shiny apple quickly turns into a hilarious together for a playful romp through the meadow. In a quiet meadow, a plump rabbit named Benny hops lazily, nibbling on some fresh grass. Just a few feet away, Ricky the hyperactive raccoon is darting around, trying to catch a butterfly, his paws flailing wildly. Suddenly, a shiny apple rolls out from behind a tree. Benny's eyes widen, and in an instant, Ricky abandons his butterfly chase and bolts toward the apple. Benny, not one to miss out on a snack, bounces after him, determined to get there first. Out of nowhere, Timmy the mischievous squirrel swoops down from the branches, snatching the apple just as Benny and Ricky reach it, with a victorious squeak, leaving the two on the ground staring in disbelief. Just when it seems like all is lost, Molly, the clever fox, appears, rolling a giant wheel of cheese into the scene. All three animals freeze, forgetting about the apple as their focus shifts to the massive cheese while they all take off after it, chasing the rolling cheese through the meadow. Laughter and chaos fill the air as the animals tumble, bounce, and chase, their rivalry forgotten as they enjoy the unexpected adventure together.